And another OOP concept in Python in general, it's inheritance. So this is how you would inherit a class in Python. You would do the new class, like the class you want to create, that wants to inherit from another class, and between parentheses, you would have the class you want to inherit from. It's like the base class. You would have the derived class that inherits from the base class, and it would be something like this. It's something really impressive about Python. It's multiple inheritance. It's also like something in C++, but not much in Java. Java is emulated through interfaces, and it's quite really useful to be able to inherit from multiple classes. So Python makes inheritance from multiple classes possible. So you would do it this way.